guys, I just wanted to create a quick video to tell you a little bit about my journey before and after Beachbody, to welcome you to my page, which I hope you'll continue to follow after watching this video. So weight and weight loss. Weight wasn't really an issue for me in college, and in my teenage years I was always pretty physically fit, and in college I was always hippie and curvaceous, but I didn't have a belly. So after college I gained a little bit of weight and thought that the best thing for me to do would be the Atkins diet. So I tried the Atkins, and I was going to Bali Total Fitness for about twice a week for dance classes, and lost all of the weight. I went down to probably 155 pounds. I look a little sick, and I gained everything back eventually, plus then some. So post college, with working in social service and not really having a good healthy meal plan and not working out anymore, I tripled that, and my highest weight was probably about 235 or 240 pounds, which I'm almost ashamed to say, but it's the truth. So at that point my body mass index was about 39, almost 40, and finally May 2012 I decided to join Beachbody. I had the year prior to that been going to Lucille Roberts, but nothing was really consistent. So once I joined Beachbody, I had the opportunity to be coached by someone that I know and respect, and who has had magnificent transformation with his health and fitness. And the biggest thing for me with this challenge was to have accountability. So I was able to reach out to this individual, let him know what my goals were and what I wanted to change. So right before my wedding in June, since I started in May, I lost inches. Probably didn't see much of a difference on the scale because I was building muscle, so that kind of disencouraged me. I'm like, I should be 150 pounds, but I definitely have had a loss in inches, a loss in dress size, and my clothes fit differently. I'm also a little more consistent than I have been in the past. So I started a fitness program, Insanity, which is why I'm also starting this YouTube channel, so that I can post a couple times a week to let you guys know how I'm doing. With Insanity, I am just giving it my best try. I know some people have seen it in infomercials and they're like, that's insane, I really can't do it. I have to say that you just have to give it your best effort, and sometimes that's enough until you can complete it like everyone in the video is doing. So I wanted to just tell you a little bit about that. Now this September, I'm happy to announce that I will be running a 5K. So that's another reason why I wanted to start this YouTube channel, to let you guys know first what I'm doing with Beachbody, any updates, how my progress is coming along, and also to be accountable to you and to really say, you know what, I'm tired of taking baby steps, and I want to really put 100% into this program and into this business. So I will be coached by someone, and I will continue coaching some of you out there who are watching, but I just want to let you know that just like all of you, I'm here to make a difference. I'm here to end the trends of obesity, and I'm really here to support you in your efforts. So if this video is appealing to you, if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at pilarbeachbody@gmail.com, or you can call my business cell phone at 718-307-8075. I look forward to hearing from you and posting some more videos and reading your comments below. So post something for me. Thank you. Have a good night. Hi guys, I just want to give you one final word for this video. If you want to get started and really are serious about making a change with your health and fitness, be accountable to someone. You can't do this alone. Be kind to yourself, because it will take time, but those will be long-lasting results, and be consistent. So those are the 3 things that I have to share that I have learned over my couple years of struggling with weight loss and fitness, and finally making a difference. Those 3 things have helped me to make a difference. So see you later.